Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another Quick Win Wednesday, and today we're going to talk about how to persist data in an update form or an edit form in Laravel. So let's dive into it. Okay, so we have an update form here. It uses books update with a book ID and it has a method of put. We have a title in here, which is only one input field, but it's fine. It's just to showcase what we can do to persist our data. Alright, so first of all, we could use this, but this will only generate a blank input field, even though we have something in the database stored for us. So let's comment this out and comment out this one. We could use value set to book title, and this will actually set the value to the book title that is in our database at the given moment. But what if we just get redirected back to the page here for some reason, a validation error or something isn't correct, and we have also edited this title field? Then we will be set back to the title that is in the database and not our updated title field. So in order to set it back to what we changed already, we could use the old method here. So old title, if the title is present in the old thingy, it will use old title. If it isn't present, it will use the fallback thing like book title, like before. But I think this is quite long, and luckily the old method here has a second parameter that we can use as a fallback. So I prefer this way of using it, old title, and if it's present it will use this, but if it's not present it will take the second parameter as a fallback, being book title. So this is how I like to use the old method to persist the data in the form that I already made some changes to, or to have a fallback to whatever is in the database for the model that I'm trying to adjust. So I hope you learned something from it, and like and subscribe, and I will see you in one of the next videos. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.